With zero context, what are your thoughts on this clip?
Where do you think I can go, dickhead?
Now I imagine that the car behind me may be watching this video and just laughed out loud big time. I say that because when I checked my footage later, I was embarrassed to realise it was simply some DCH viewers trying to get my attention.
Where do you think I can go, dickhead?
If we look at my interior footage, you can see I very briefly glance in my rear view and return to my observations, so missed the wave by a second or two. Now I've been spotted a bunch of times at this point, and I'm also no stranger to hanging out with my fans, although funnily enough it's pretty rare that it'll happen while I'm driving. I think other than the many times Boss Spot has spotted me out and about, this is the 4th time this has happened.
Oh really? Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, mate. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Not in the usual car. This is my mum's, but... Alright, well, I'll see you. No worries, mate. I thought you were staring at me for ages. Alright, mate. Oh, no way. Oh, nice one. Oh, nice to meet you. See you soon. Oh, was that a recognition? I was a bit slow on that one. I feel like that might have been the guy that last spotted me on the road, actually. I put my instinctual reaction down to simply how often I have to deal with people like this Burke from 6 Minute Saturdays 35. Are you beeping at me? You want me to cover the yellow box, yeah? You actually serious? Where do you think I can go? Thankfully these guys saw my Instagram post, so I managed to redeem myself from looking like I'm too narcissistic and self-important to interact with those who spot me. Apologies again for not realising at the time, and much peace and love to you. Now I imagine that the car that beeped behind... Ow, I just bit my fucking tongue. Ow.